over the past few years, there's been a lot of speculation about a local government reorganisation. And we've talked about that quite a lot here in Denbighshire. Until now, it has been on the agenda, off the agenda, and so on. We know now for certain that local government reorganisation is not going to happen, at least not for the next 5-6 years. Now, the downside to that is that the sustainability question that was hanging around public service provision is still there. The upside is that we're not going to spend the next 4 or 5 years managing a messy reorganisation and worrying about whether we have jobs or not. Instead, we can get on with identifying some new and exciting things to do to improve things in Denbighshire. And so I want to talk a little bit about that. We have just launched our county conversation. You may have heard about it already. If you haven't, you will. And I would really encourage staff to get involved with that. The county conversation is about consulting, about engaging the public, our staff, our members, about the key issues that we should try to address over the next period. They will be informed by information we already have, like the resident survey, like staff survey, like data from Welsh Government, and so on. The expectation is that before the next local government elections in May 2017, we will gather all that data and present to the newly elected members a set of possible priorities for them to agree and articulate in a new corporate plan. And I think that's a much more inspiring agenda for us to be working on than LGR might have been. So we need to grasp that and make the best of it. I want to say a special thank you today to staff who work in sensitive areas and who often take difficult decisions on behalf of the council. The kind of decisions that leave them open to often ill-informed and unfair criticism in media like Facebook, where they can't speak back. I want to say that I appreciate the work that those staff do for us. They are valued here, and they are very much part of this organisation and the way we go forward. And I want them to feel that the organisation is behind them